Hello viewers, this is Easy to Learn PowerPoint, a 5-lesson video where I am going to be teaching you how to master the basics of Microsoft PowerPoint. I am still your instructor, Vincent Hope. Now in lesson 1, we're quickly going to check what is PowerPoint, how to start and exit PowerPoint, what you see in Microsoft PowerPoint, and creating a simple presentation. PowerPoint is an application that you can use to create presentations. A teacher, a lecturer who wants to present a lecture to students, he uses a whiteboard and a marker. But you want to present a lecture, a seminar, a workshop to a very large audience of 200, 300 people, you will have to project it onto a very large whiteboard. That is where PowerPoint comes in. So it is an application used to create presentations. Then, secondly, how do you start and exit PowerPoint? As usual, we come to the Start button, select All Programs, go to Microsoft Office, click, select Microsoft PowerPoint. You click Microsoft PowerPoint, it takes you to the Microsoft PowerPoint environment. If you want to exit, you can simply come to Office button here, okay? We close this, click OK here. Office button here, then come to this place, which is Exit Microsoft PowerPoint. It's exited. Then another way is come to the shortcut. This is the PowerPoint icon. You click here, takes you to the environment. Click OK, and you close. So that's how you start and exit Microsoft PowerPoint. So the next thing is what do you see in Microsoft PowerPoint? In every application, it's always good to get used to the environment so you can know what you see, so you don't get scared or get confused. So let's start Microsoft PowerPoint. Click Microsoft PowerPoint, and the line presentation will pop up. So let's just create a blank presentation. New, just like in Microsoft Excel. Click Create. So now we have a blank presentation. So what do we have in this environment? As usual, we have the title bar with the presentation tool, which is here. We have the quick access toolbar. We have the menu bar that has options. And under each of these options, you have the sub menus. Then the major thing about Microsoft PowerPoint is this whiteboard here, which is called a slide. It's used to create your presentation. Then here you can add notes. Then here you have your status bar, so you see your slide 1, and the team already is the office team. So that is about the PowerPoint environment. So let's switch back and see. So the next thing, which the final thing we're going to do in this class, is just to create a simple presentation. Now, like I said, the presentation is a lecture, a seminar, something just want to teach a group of people and project it onto a large whiteboard. So this is our whiteboard or our slide. So let's see how we can teach a group of people how to start and exit a computer. So let me put this one as the title. This slide here has some templates, so let me have the title. I'll type how to start and exit computer. Or let's see how to start and exit PowerPoint. Let's focus on PowerPoint. Okay, so that's the title of the presentation I want to make. I can click at this point, see where it changes to the other. I move it upward. Then I bring this one here. I can click it and shift it to. I can expand it so I go to the same size. I can decide to add some bullets. Come here, come home, click here, then come to switch on these options look similar to that of Microsoft Word and Excel. Come here, and I select a set of bullets like this. Okay, that's here. Then you can see it at the center. Now the alignment here to it at the center, so let me move it to align text left. Once it has moved. So how to start and exit PowerPoint, you can say click start button. Click start button. Press enter. Select all programs. Press enter. Then you now say click or select. Let's say click Microsoft Office. Then you do click Microsoft PowerPoint. Then press enter again. Then you can now say, well, click Office 13 from where you're expanded. Then finally click exit PowerPoint. Okay, so these are the steps. Now, so the next thing to do, let me expand it so that we can see it clearly. Expand it from here. Okay, you can see it bigger now. Expand it bigger now. Okay, I decide to change the color. I can highlight it. Yeah, make it bold. Okay, I can decide to use the final color that we just add. Blue color, so it can become more visible. It's blue. Okay. I can also increase the font size from here. Make it okay. 40 be okay. Now it's 40. So this is how to start and exit Microsoft PowerPoint. So the next thing, remember what we're doing, creating a presentation. I want to present it to a class. Now I just listed the steps. The title is there. Then list of the steps which I've just shown you. So the next thing that makes PowerPoint unique, we have to animate this text to give it some life. You see the text moving in different directions. So let's start with this. I select the title, which is how to start and exit PowerPoint. Come to this menu here, see it here, animations. Click. Then I come to this here, custom animation. I click. Now you see that by your right, the custom animation window appears. I close it. I come back here and click custom animation. It comes back. Now the next thing that the custom animation means add effect. Now I select on the button here. Now you see you have different ones. You have entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion path. So let's assume we start with entrance. The entrance for the title, I want to make it blinds. I select blinds. Now you see how it works. Blind works. If I select add effect, entrance again. So and I selected for that one. Let me select this other one. Then this list here, I can pick them one by one. I highlight this. Then I click add effect. The entrance, I can say box, the effect. Okay, I select the next one, entrance, add effect. I said I choose checkerboard. Then after checkerboard, then on that same one, I can decide to add another effect, which is maybe emphasis, a particular animation that will emphasize the information that select all programs. I can say, okay, let it change font size. Okay, see what it does. Immediately you select the type of animation, it shows you what's going to happen. I select this, click add effect, entrance. I can say diamond. Okay, I select this, add effect, entrance. Maybe let's use Giselle. No? Oh, okay, maybe it's flying. Okay, select this. I select this. I said okay. Entrance. I can do checkerboard. Then I also select the final one. Click, come to entrance. I can do box. Then let me just add another effect to that. I can do the exit. That means if it's finishing the information, what should we do? Then I said, let me do flyer. Let's see what happens. Okay. Now I have finished animation. Now watch that in this window here, all the animations you selected are there. Start button, all the different types of animations are all there. Okay. Now the next thing to do is to show the presentation to your audience. In Microsoft PowerPoint, go to slideshow. This is the honest option here. Then you come to the first one, which is start from the beginning. That means start the presentation from the beginning. Now watch carefully as I click from the beginning. I click. Now it doesn't show you anything. You can now click. Every time you click, you see what happens. Click. See how to start and exit PowerPoint. Click. Click start button. Select all programs. Watch the third one. Remember it has 2 emphases. Okay, this second one, yes, okay. Then select all programs and click again. Click Microsoft Office. Click Microsoft PowerPoint. Click Office button. Click Exit PowerPoint. Now watch it again. I click it has 2 emphases. It has an emphasis too. Exit and I click. You can see that it says end of slideshow. Click it. So that is your presentation. So the next thing you need to do after you have created a presentation is to save as usual. Come to your save button on your quick access toolbar, click it. Then type it, enter the file name or the presentation name. Let's say 1. Then click save. Okay, so now we have created simple presentation. So I encourage you to practice what you have just been taught. See you in lesson 2. Thank you.